Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. So in this session what we're gonna do is we're gonna just recite the first line of Qaida Nurani of this alphabet. We're not gonna explain in this one, just recitation. So this is the first one. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Tha, Tha, Jeem, Jeem. So after this, what we're going to do next session, we're going to do this 10 times. So you should repeat it 10 times, like alif, ba, ta, 10 times to become a master, and then we will be doing the following, the next letter. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.